I guess you don't know this about factorial. Do you know that there's something called a double factorial? Now come closer. Let me show you how to do that. Now, what are factorials? Factorial simply means the product of all positive integers down to 1, from n down to 1. So let's see. So if we have 2, so what's a factorial? 2 factorial of 2 give us 2 times 1. That is for 2 factorial, which will give us what? 2. Now we have this. Let's say we have 3 factorial. 3 factorial will give us 3 times 2 times 1, all the positive integers down to 1. We stop at 1. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So this is just for single factorial. Like I said, there is what we call double factorial. Double factorial and single factorial, they are not the same, but it's still the same process, yeah? Just a little thing different. Now let's see. Let's say we are dealing on 5. Okay, let me use the word. Let me use 4. 4 factorial here will give us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2, that's 24. Then 24 times 1, you still have 24. So this is all we need to know about factorials. And also that when we have 0 factorial, 0 factorial will give us what? 1. 0 factorial is 1. It's unchanged. It's something that is constant. It's 1. So we have here 0 factorial will give us 1. So we'll still come back to this now. So let's talk about this now. Let's say we are having a double factorial. Let's say we are having a double factorial. In our previous videos about factorials, I did a double factorial, and someone had said I do not understand it. So I guess this video will break it down more. So let's say we are dealing on double factorial of let's say of 5. Double factorial of 5. What does double factorial mean? It simply means leaving a number after the first number, getting the second number after the first number. Let's say now we have here 5 times 4. Normal factorial, 5 factorial will give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But a double factorial just implies just one jump ahead. So normally in a single factorial we would have done 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is in a single factorial. But in a double factorial we'll be having 5. And we jump 4 here, we'll skip 4, go to 3, we'll skip 2 and go back to 1. So that will give us 5 times 3 times 1, which will give us what? 15. And this is all about double factorial. Now let's do another example now. So we have, say now we are having under double factorial, let's use 7. Let's say we're having 7 double factorial. So under 7 double factorial here we'll be having 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is under 7 double factorial. But since this is under 7 factorial, this is what we should have under 7 factorial. But since we are dealing with double factorial, it should be 7 times 5 times 3. Then we jump to times what? 1. So that means we have here to be what? 7 times 5 times 3 times 1. That is it. You skip one number, go to the next, skip another, go to the next, skip another, go to the last one. That is the double factorial. So let's sum this up. What we have here now is what? 7 times 5 is 35. So we have here 35 times 3. 35, 3 times 5 is 15, right? 5, carry 1, 3 plus that 1, 3 times 3 is 9, plus that 1, 10. So we have here to be 105. So that means double factorial of 7 give us what? 105. I guess this is helpful. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page at Sodman. I am Sodman and this is Sodman. See you in the next video.